Okay, we're almost home. What was happening was, during our intermission, was we were just talking about everything by Illinois. My dad's on the phone, so we have to be a little quiet. There's the Durian. Ruby Tuesdays. Yuck. Ruby Tuesdays is okay. Steakhouse.
Steak and Shake.
Steak and Shake, whatever. God. Pizza. Applebee's.
Good. Yuck.
Moto Mart. Burger King. Burger King.
Yum and yuck.
Best French fries ever.
No, McDonald's has the best French fries. Those
No,
are totally
Burger
second.
King.
Those are totally second.
Best cheeseburger ever. And their pie is so good.
I've never had their pie. I didn't know they had.
Oh, you've never had their Hershey's pie?
I never knew they had pie.
Oh my God, girl, you haven't lived until you've had their pie.
We're talking about pie. What the crap? We're talking about freaking pie. We're so bored.
But don't worry,
so bored we're talking about pie.
Don't worry, we're gonna be home in less than 4 minutes. And when we get home, we're gonna watch them get unpacked. Trust me, it'll be fun. And then we can tour my house.
What do you mean by that?
What? How many minutes? 1:20.
1 hour and 20 minutes.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
That has not been going on for 1 minute, 20 seconds.
Yeah, that's all it's been. I started a new one.
Oh,
remember, I start a new one every 5 minutes.
You scared the crap out of me. I was like, you're freaking kidding me.
I'm just like, she's a little slow in the head, you know what I mean.
Oh.
I'm going down.
Good.
Oh, take the camera for me. Oh, Mason gets an ice pack.
While he dies. Watch him die.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Remember, you should die slow.
You freaking knocked the wind out of me. Oh, show a picture of Yamaha, one of the coolest bike shops in America.
Yamaha.
Look at that bike. That is so cool. That bike was.
All I can see is you dying.
Gee, thanks.
Yeah, I know, right?
Blockbuster Rock.